Hi, it's KhoPhi here. One of the things as a content creator is you would see works of other people and be like, oh wow, this is amazing, this is beautiful. When am I going to get to that level, or when am I able to do these shots? And the video you just saw, these are the number of attempts it took for me to get that shot right. This is the second attempt. I'm using the Cinehoop Holybrew copies drone with the GoPro attached to it. And yeah, it's so easy to fail. The work you see others doing, it's way ahead of what you can do. But with more practice and multiple attempts and failures, you definitely can do a shot like that. And this is me crashing into my boss car, which you can see the GoPro pointed somewhere away. I tried flying it out of the car, but was blocked by the steering wheel. So with multiple attempts, you're definitely going to get at least one right, and that is something you can post online. So I'm still practicing and trying to get the controls on the FPV drone right. It's currently good enough, and I'm using settings that allow me to fly smoothly. So hopefully we'll be sharing some of these tips with you all eventually. Thanks, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.